Hello everybody, this is Paramita. I'm going to teach HTML now. This course is for absolute beginners who wants to learn Selenium but who doesn't have any knowledge of HTML Java. If you have knowledge of HTML, you don't have to watch this video, you can skip this. Okay? So let's start HTML today. So HTML. What is HTML? HTML refers to hypertext markup language. Okay, so HTML is the only language which browser can understand. In internet, whatever you want to show to people, you have to communicate that to the browser using this language HTML. Okay, so HTML, the name implies that it's a markup language, so it uses only tags. Whatever you want to communicate with the browser, you have to put it within some tag in HTML language. Okay, so I have just opened a new HTML5. By the way, I am using Dreamweaver IDE, but if you don't have Dreamweaver, don't worry about that. You can use Notepad also, or you can download Sublime Text Editor. That's for free. That's quite good actually. I will suggest you to do that if you don't have Dreamweaver. Okay, or otherwise you can use your Notepad also for learning HTML, for for Selenium purpose. So you can use any simple editor, that doesn't matter. So I have Dreamweaver, I'm using Dreamweaver here. So what you need to do, the basic thing is that you have to save the file with extension .html, so it will come on your browser, and whenever you click it you can see it in the browser. Okay, so no worry about that, it's very simple. So I will start today. So when I created a new file in Dreamweaver, it generated some automatic code here. The first we will see here is doc type, document type. It's a big document type, you can see HTML, public, blah blah blah. So what's the use of this doc type? Because if you use doc type in HTML page, it helps the browser to understand that this is an HTML page and it will act accordingly. Okay, so it's recommended always use this one in any HTML page. Now this doc type here is the old one actually, because my Dreamweaver version is older version, so it's using the older one for HTML4 and older. But for HTML5 we don't need to use the big document type, we just use HTML, doc type HTML. Alright, just like that. So for HTML5 we can write doc type only HTML, nothing else. Okay, so this is the opening HTML tag and this is here the closing HTML tag. In HTML, whenever you open a tag, you should close the tag. So this is our opening HTML tag and this is our closing HTML tag. So when we open a tag, we open with less than, within less than, greater than sign, and when we close a tag, it's less than, then forward slash, then close with the greater than sign. Okay, so this is the basic of HTML. Within HTML page, this is the skeleton of HTML page. You can see we have two sections. One is head section, the head section here. See, within head tag, this is the opening head tag, this is the closing head tag. Okay, so this is the head section and this one is the body section. So there are two sections in HTML page. What do we do with the head section? In head section, it's like a human brain. Like in human body, our brain resides in the head. So it's simply like this. The head section of HTML is like its HTML page's brain. It contains few tags like meta tags. Here you can see Meta tags, I will explain this. Okay, I'm just telling you. Meta tag explains like the content type, author, or any description like what the page is about and all these things. So meta tag is helpful for software engine optimization also. I hope you all know software engine optimization. If you don't know, you can Google it. Okay, so this is a meta tag and this is title tag. What title tag does? Title tag, it what it does, it whenever you open a, okay, I'll just do it and I will show it to you. I will change the title my first web page. Okay, now I'll save the file. I opened it, I didn't save it. I'll save the file in one folder here in desktop, html.css. I'll give the name part1. Okay, part1.html and save it. Now I have given the title of the web page my first web page. So save it, Ctrl S, then view it in browser. See, here is the title of the page. Just now I made it my first web page. Okay, so that's what does the title tag in the head section. It creates the title of your whole web page. Till now we haven't done anything here, so that's why we can't see anything. So we just created a title for our web page in HTML. Right, so yeah, so this is the title tag, etc. Except that in head tag, within head, we will use later on like link tag to link any outside file, like maybe JavaScript file or any JavaScript framework file, maybe jQuery, Bootstrap, etc. And we can use script tag as well if we need to write some JavaScript within the HTML page. That also we put it in this head section. Okay, script tag means we write script tag like this, script, closing script. Alright, so now we're not going to write any script here, so I'll just take it up. So that's the head section and the body section. Remember, the body section is very important. Whatever we want to show in the browser, it will come in body section. It can be an image, it can be some text, whatever. Just write first web page. Okay, Control S. Just see it in browser. See, here it came first web page. So whatever you will put in body, that will be shown in the web browser. Now this is a text. I want to make it a big, I want to make it like a header. So there is a tag h1. I'll put it in the header tag. Okay, so this is the opening header tag. This is the closing header tag. Okay, so what's going to happen now? See, yeah, I got a big header. Okay, so in this way, from h1 to h6, there are 6 header tag in HTML. Like just to show you, put it h2, h2, h3, h3, h4. So in this way, there are h5 and h6 as well. I'm just doing up to h4 to show you. See the difference. Okay, the size is different. Now you can do a lot of things like to decorate your text. You can change the color, you can change the font size, whatever you want to do. Like, I'll just put some text here. This is my first HTML page. Please see it, like it, etc. Okay. Now, if I don't do anything, if I just see it in what I want, there are three sentences. Maybe I want they should be in the separate line like this. Okay, so I just put enter, and okay, I want to see this like this. Now, see in browser how it looks like this. See, I already entered there in my Dreamweaver IDE. I put them in separate line, but it's not coming in separate line. It's coming in the same line in the browser. Because the browser doesn't understand whether I put enter or whatever. Whatever I want to say to the browser, I have to say through HTML tags. So if I want a line break here, that also I have to say to the browser through HTML tag. So for line break in HTML we have break tag br. Okay, less than slash br. We can use the br just like this. We don't need to use the separate uh, opening tag and closing tag, right? Now see what the browser shows. See, now they came in different line. Okay, so yeah, that's how we want to do. If we want to make it a paragraph, we'll just use the p tag. Okay, opening p, closing p. So now this is a paragraph. If we want to make this paragraph the font color red, how we can do that? We'll just use the style attribute. Within style attribute we use the font, we use the color property. Color, I want to do it red, so red. Okay, yeah, see what happens. See, this is the paragraph now, and the font color in paragraph is red. So like paragraph, each tag in HTML has got lots of attributes. You can use the attributes as per your need. Like style is an attribute in paragraph. You can style the header also. If you want, you can style it like this. And within style attribute you can use the property like color property. If you want to change the font color, you can use the color property. We want to use a blue color, and if you want to put a background, you can. Background color I want red. Okay, so it's up to you what you want to do. Alright, so now see. See, the headers, the background is red, whatever I styled it, and the color, the font color is blue. So in this way you can style each tag also. So within each tag in HTML it has got its own attribute and the property. So as per your requirement you can use that. Alright, so we'll learn some more tricks like how to put an image in an HTML website and some advanced technique as well in my next video. So till then, if you want to watch all my videos one by one, okay, then you can visit my website www.parameternz.com, and then you can get all my videos in one website and you can check it out. It will be really helpful if you want to learn from the basic. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe me on YouTube, and yeah, see you again. Bye bye.